Hi everyone, it's Paige. Today we are going to walk through the steps of using our part configurator tool and downloading a CAD model afterwards. First, we are going to make sure we are logged into a customer or distributor account at the top of the home page. As you can see at the top, it says log out, which confirms I am already logged in. This is not required, but you want to make sure to do this step to be able to download your configured CAD file or save to a project to view later. Next, we are going to click on our CAD Configurator button, which can be found either here at the right side of your homepage or under Engineering Resources at this button, CAD Configurator. From here, you can read more information about our configured parts, including purchase minimum and lead time, and you can filter our product list down here. So let's pick a press fit bushing to configure. You can also find this window on our press fit bushing product model pages to lead you to the configurator as well. First step, make sure to enter the quantity of how many you will need of this part before you start configuring, as special parts can vary in pricing. So I'm going to do 10. Then you click next. An example is shown right here. And now we can begin entering all the specific details we want. So first, let's enter in our OD. The way you can determine if you need a special OD is by figuring out if the OD you require is listed as one of our standards in the drop-down menu shown here. If listed, a special OD is not required. I'm going to choose 30 millimeters. Now for ID, we can see the valid range is listed here in blue. If you enter a value that is not considered a standard, a text below will appear saying that the ID drill size is a special. I am going to enter one in here to show you that message. And here you can see that it says ID drill size is a special. For now, I am going to enter in 20. The next question, do you require a special length? Click the drop-down menu and review the standard lengths. If you would like something outside of those, you will need a special length. I do need a special length, so I will click yes and enter in 25. The next question is, do you require a reamer ID tolerance, yes or no? I do not, so I will click no. Lastly, you will be asked if you would like to expedite the order. I do not, so I will click no. If you do not have a Carr Lane account, you are now finished, and you will be able to view your part number here. And you can add this part to your cart by clicking Finish right here down below, and by clicking Close tab and Add to Order. If you do have an account and would like to download your configured CAD file, you can scroll down and select the preferred CAD file type from the drop-down menu. I'm going to choose SolidWorks. Make sure to click Finish down below. And then you'll get a pop-up that says that your configuration is complete. The file should be emailed to you within 10 minutes. If a selected CAD file is not emailed to you within 10 minutes, make sure you are logged in and try again. To save for later, press Save to My Project here at the top right of your screen to revisit later. And then if you would like to add that to your order, click Close tab and Add to Order. If you are logged in, your CAD file can also be found in the dashboard to review later. So I will show that. At the top of your screen, click My Dashboard. Scroll down, and you'll find your CAD files here to review again later and to be able to download again.